Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and today let's make pistachio cheesecake. For the cheesecake base, I'm using around 200 grams of digestive biscuits. Transfer the biscuits in a mixer jar and make a fine powder. Add 5 tablespoons of melted butter to the biscuit crust. Mix everything well. Transfer this into a cake tin and gently press it using a spoon. Let this rest in the refrigerator for half an hour. In a bowl, add 400 grams of Philadelphia creamy cheese. Whisk the cream cheese till smooth. Add 5 tablespoons of pistachio paste. Add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of corn flour.
Whisk everything well.
In a separate bowl, add 600 grams of double cream. Whisk the heavy cream until a foamy mixture. Transfer the whipped cream in the cheesecake batter. Mix everything well. Pour the cake batter over the crust and level the surface. Add half a cup of pistachio cream over the mixture and spread it out. Refrigerate the cake in the fridge overnight. So cheesecake is out from the fridge, which I have kept in the fridge overnight. Decorate the edges. Decorate the edges of the cheesecake with some chopped pistachio. Our pistachio cheesecake is ready. Do try it and enjoy.